So let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, 4/4 rhythm, primarily footwork. So let's do the first set of 8. These are 16th notes. We start with a golpe on the left foot. It's golpe, heel, heel, golpe for the first set of 8. So here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1 E and 2 E. So we're just repeating this. But if we speed up, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to keep going. You can also add your arms. So for right now, there's so many different options. We can use both arms, one arm, we can come in, we can go out. The options are like limitless. So let's just go ahead and like rotate that wrist open. Start from the bottom, from the base, going all the way up, coming down in front of the body, floreada away from the body. Keep that elbow nice and lifted and the shoulders open. And of course, you know, your abdominals engaged. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, and 1. 'Continues with the 16th notes. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so 3 and is golpe left and then golpe right. 1, 2, 3, and silent on 4. Then we go E and a. So I'm hitting my heel on the left. Heel, 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 ball, ball. So E and a 5 and. E and a 5 and 6. So I just went 1, 2, 3, and 4. E and a 5 and 6. Planta, planta. E and a 7 and a 8. So I'm here. 3 and 4. E and a 5 and 6. E and a 7 and a 8. If I break that down even more, 3 and 4, heel, 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 ball, ball, heel, 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 ball, heel, 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 ball. So let's just do that one more time. We just finished 3 and 4, E and a 5 and 6, E and a 7 and a 8. So now I'm going and 1 and 2. And so I'm going left heel, flat. Left heel, right heel, flat. Hit with your palm of your hand. And then the planta of the right foot. So we're here. 3 and 4, E and a 5 and 6, E and a 7 and a 8, and a 1 and 2, 3, and 4. So it's heel, heel, flat. Hit your hand. If I go from the side, it's heel, heel, flat. Heel, ball of the foot, right there. So I just went 3 and 4, E and a 5 and 6, E and a 7 and a 8, and a 1 and 2, 3 and 4. These are triplets. We're going to hit golpe on the left and then the right. So it's flat, flat. And then I start with the heel. Left, right, flat. Heel, ball, heel, ball, heel, ball, heel, heel, ball. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6, and a 7, 8. So from here, we just went 1. Let's take it from the 3 end. 1, 2, 3, and 4. E and a 5 and 6. E and a 7 and a 8 and a 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and a 6, 7, 8, my 5, I bring my arms through center. 5, 6, 7, 5, 5 and a 6 and a 7, 8. So I'm like ready, I'm prepping to do a turn. You can do 1, 2, 3, however many spins you want. You have enough time, really, depending on your, even if it's a little fast, you can probably fit in a double or triple or quadruple. So we just went 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have 4 counts to do that turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's 5 and 6, 7, 5 and 6, 7, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the heel of the right foot. So I crossed it. It's a kind of cool move, and I just flick out. So we just finished our turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That's a golpe on the left. 5 and 6. Facing front. 5 and 6 to the side. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it from this side. Turn here, right? We're here. 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So now let's take it from the top and connect it together, okay? Here we go. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And 5 and 6, and 7 and 8, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. The count right here, 5 and 6. So it's 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1. I misspoke, but it's 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I taught it a little bit different earlier, but that's the phrasing. And you can choose which sound you like better. So again, it's 5 and 6, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, that's a planta, and 1, that's a golpe, 2, 3, 4. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you can implement it in your training or your performances. Thank you for joining me and sharing your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon. Bye-bye.